Hello everyone, welcome back to iPhoneTopics.com. We are enjoying to use the depth effect on home screen wallpaper in iOS 16. However, some of them prefer to have different wallpaper on their home and lock screens. But they don't know how to do this in iOS 16. Don't worry, how to do it in this video. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone. Then go to the previous customized wallpaper. Now select the customize option here. The two wallpapers are shown here. One is lock screen, another one is home screen. Choose which one you want to change. Here I am select home screen. Next, select the photos from the bottom. You can also use any of the color or gradient as your wallpaper. Here I am select photos. Then choose the photo that you want to set as a home screen wallpaper. Then if decide, preview the wallpaper and apply the depth effect. Now click the done to edit the wallpaper. Then finally click done to finish the process. That's it. Now your iPhone's home screen and lock screen wallpaper are different. I hope this video is really useful to you. If so, then don't forget to like and subscribe to iPhone Topics YouTube channel. And bye for now, and I will see you soon in the next video.